Well, in the very beginning, it started out with going to physical therapy through the VA. That wasn't getting any success, and then switched me over to some chiropractic, and then I did that some. The relief I would get would be very short-lived because it was moving around so much in there that it wouldn't stay. Even if they get it back in position, it wouldn't stay. And then I even actually gave in and tried some acupuncture to get better blood flow in there to help get some of the inflammation out. That didn't do any good. I own an excavation business now, and I still run equipment. And if you went out and worked today, then I typically was about down to a crawl for 2 or 3 days afterwards. If it was the day after that you had went and done some dozer work, you couldn't. I mean, if it wasn't something you could stay seated or drive up to pretty close, walking was just about unbearable. The pain was at your belt line. It would go above the belt line up into your back and then all the way down the back of your leg. And I've got it on both sides. So after getting that put in to stop that, Dr. Razul was kind of surprised that my pain went from unbearable to 80 to 90% gone within about 2 weeks. Quality of life's a whole lot better. Like I said, if you can't walk or can't get up and get around and trying to lift anything, you couldn't lift anything, it just made it even worse, so kept changing shoes, trying this and trying that, and just nothing wasn't helping it. So thanks to Liberty SI, I got my freedom back, and I greatly appreciate it.